Hi everyone. I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of clear data on the application of Google Meet. We click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list we click on Google Meet. Here we go to first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. As you see here, you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.